Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, eh? Another Wednesday, another shave. Bit special this one, it's not the shave I had planned. My 37th wedding anniversary today. 37 years ago today, yeah. I know, all the jokes are there, but I'm not making them because my wife's going to watch this. Okay, 37 years. But with one thing and another, I can't remember. I think my sons, I'm recording this the day before, and my sons are coming up on Friday, and we're going to have a meal, and we'll probably get our cards this evening or maybe tomorrow morning in the post, but they usually bring the gifts with them. They're getting us some gifts and so on. I've asked for some shaving related stuff, so we'll wait and see. And that's what I was going to use, but it didn't work out that way with one thing and another, with them being away on business and us doing stuff, and it's all kind of, anyway, I waffle on. It's not the shave I had planned, but we've still got a good one, as you've seen by the thumbnail. The soap we're going to be using, look at this, Grooming Department, avventura. That means the adventure, just in case you're wondering. There you go, there's the pour. Oh, absolutely wonderful this. Okay, so we've got on the tablette, we've got Grooming Department. Tablette, that's French for tablet. Okay, it says that it's a fougere, scent notes, lime, grapefruit, high elevation lavender. Does it smell any different to medium or low elevation lavender? You must, I mean, really let me know. I love this kind of stuff. Galbanum, saffron, resin accord, Texas cedarwood. Does it smell any different? It's a cedarwood grown, say in Arizona, maybe, or something. I don't know. Oak moss, birch tar, and patchouli. There it is, absolutely wonderful. This, guys, the Kairos SE base. This has got lamb tallow in it and emu oil. Oh, emu. So, they get emu oil, get an emu and wring it out. If you live in the United Kingdom, do that to Rod Hull, an emu. There was a, I don't know if you know, if you live outside of the UK, there was a an act, I would say a ventriloquist act, but the bird, it was a bird, and he'd have his arm over the bird, and the bird would hear, and it was called Rod Hull and Emu. Please go on YouTube and check it, Rod Hull and Emu, and the bird would attack people and so on. It was an annoying little sucker, but anyway, so it's got emu oil. How did it get? I mean, what's that emu? Honestly, oh, I'm in a frisky mood today, guys. It smells. I do actually pick up. I get the lime, like a citrus. I get lavender. I get moss and cedarwood, and there's something else in there. I've no idea what it is. But that's what we're going to be. And look, hey, Johnny's treat to himself for his 37th wedding anniversary. L'avventura aftershave. I haven't had a shower yet, and have a shower later. I'm going to reapply some of that. So that's the aftershave, the splash. We're going to balm up there. Bergamot and Basil goes very well with this. Post-shave balm. We've got that. The brush. Check out the brush. This is a, let me have a look. Has it gone upside down? It says something mixed. I think it's boar and badger mixed. It's very stiff, but it goes very soft. There was it's not theatre, is it? But yeah, do you know what? I think it is actually. There was a name, it said made in Germany. There was a name on it, I can't remember what it is, guys, but there it is. We're going to put that in the official John Shaves Super Soaker to get them bristles. The way those bristles are very tough, very fibrous. Once they get warm and wet, they're quite soft and quite floppy. Okay, yeah, there you go. The razor we're going to be using. I bought this in Pasteurs. Now, you know, all use new people to the channel. I don't know if you've ever watched. Don't like to mention it a lot, but I have actually been to Pasteurs in New York. There you go. And I bought this while I was there because I seen Joe from Queens using it. Now we need to start a campaign to get Joe from Queens making videos again. If you've never seen one of Joe from Queens' videos, it's a Merkur 34G. It's a gold 34C. You've never seen any of Joe from Queens, I would certainly recommend that you go and watch them. He lives in New York, and lots of his videos, he would go to New York and he would go to Manhattan. He'd go in the deli and Katz's Deli and have a bagel, and he'd go back and have a shave. He'd shop at Pasteurs. He did a shaving Pasteurs one. Absolutely wonderful. Sorry guys, I'm waffling on. I'm feeling good today. There you go. Perma Sharp. These were sent to me by Steve. Thank you, Steve. There you go. So we're going to get one of them. Now, from memory, I think I've used these Perma Sharp ones, but I think I had one. I had one of them. I think somebody sent me one, and it just, or I think I bought a packet and sent them on to somebody, but took one out, and I just can't remember using it. There it is. Perma Sharp stainless. We'll get that. We'll get that in there. Put that in there, and we'll get that. Love this razor. Don't use it as much. I've got the 34G and I've got the 34C. There you go. We'll put that in there. That's it. We're all done. What are we on? Look, oh, nearly 7 minutes. I haven't even started shaving yet. So how are you all doing? Oh my word. Do you know? Look, I forgot the towel. Give me a minute. Oh, and we're back. There you go. Right, face is still wet. I'm going to lather this right up out of the tub. Let's get. Yeah, here we go. We'll see. We'll see it as I see it. There you go. This is a soft soap. I would put the scent strength on this at about a 7. It really is quite strong. When it's lathered, it doesn't, see, look, because it's a very, it's you can press it in it. Look, see that? It's a very soft soap. So what we'll do is we'll just re-wet the face. And let's see. I've used it before. It's good stuff. I think this brush might let it down. Yeah. Now I'm lathering it. If you've used this, please let me know. But now I'm lathering it, I'm starting to get the line, like a line vibe to it coming through. It smells absolutely wonderful. The scent. I wouldn't say the scent strength drops when you lather it, but I would certainly say it changes. Yeah, it's almost like adding the water and the diluting the lather allows some of the other fragrances that are in it to shine through a bit stronger. Like I said, I'm getting lime more now. I do slick test. You really don't need to. Wow, yeah. Yeah, wonderful slick soap this. It's just a wonderful soap all round. And if you gave it to me, I'm sorry, but I can't remember where I got it from. So if you sat there and you're thinking, he hasn't mentioned it, well, I really don't know. I'm very fortunate to be the recipient of so much kindness in this wet shaving community that I'm actually starting to forget where I got stuff. So I do apologise if you've sent me that and I can't remember you. But there we go, the Merkur 34G. Okay, so now we've got all that done. How are you all doing? It's been a good day. It's been a busy day, but I don't know what. Do you ever get those days, guys, where you wake up and it's almost like someone supercharged your battery overnight? And I just woke up this morning at about 3:45. I woke up at 4 AM, answered some emails on my phone, went back to sleep, woke up about 3:45, bounced out of bed, Bounced into work. Been busy in work. Got saturated. It's been raining all day, but I don't know what it is. Just really good mood. I'm in a good mood all the time anyway, but boundless energy. So I've spent all day analysing what I ate yesterday or what I did to see if I've taken something in that's put me on a high. Or maybe Mrs. Shaves has slipped me a happy pill. Hey? But let me know if you've used this stuff. I'd be interested to know what scent notes you got from it. And did you pick up on extra scent notes once you've lathered it? Because that does happen quite a lot with me with soaps that I use. But this one, it's just been a little more pronounced. I mean, it was almost like the minute I started lathering it, oh wow, there's the lime, you know? So, here we go. There isn't really a lot to talk about. Once again, we were supposed to be going out for a meal on Saturday, but my son's busy, so he's going to come here on Friday and we're going to have a takeaway. We'll probably have Indian. Although my preference is Chinese. I worked in a Chinese restaurant for a couple of years, me and my brother-in-law. Oh man, they were happy days. But anyway, yeah, and the Chinese boss was one of the kindest people I've ever worked for. And every day we would start work at 10 o'clock in the morning and we would work till 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And then we would go back at 5 p.m. in the afternoon and we would work through until midnight. And we did that 6 days a week. We got Sundays off. And so we would go in at 10 o'clock. And then at about 11:30, there would be a huge banquet of Chinese food. Oh, just the best food you've ever... Just imagine the best Chinese banquet you could ever hope to imagine. And that would be laid on at 11:30 for all the staff. So all the staff could... And we all just sat around this huge big table and got stuck in. And we were told, chopsticks only. So I'm actually quite proficient with chopsticks. And he would do that 11:30. Then we would start back at 5 o'clock. He would do it again at 5:30 before the restaurant opened at 6. And then he would do it again at 11:30 at night. We would go out and sit there and eat until 12. It was just unbelievable. And if you were full and you didn't want it, no, it would make you up a big takeaway and you'd take it home, which I often did and ate it with Angela. Yeah. Absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Happy days. I've no idea how I got on. Oh yeah, Indian. Right, my son loves Indian food. I can eat Indian food. But I'll be absolutely honest, it wouldn't even be in my top 10. I like Chinese food, Japanese food, I like Malaysian food, I like English food. There you go, look at that. We did okay. I think the reason, lather mittens guys, did we do 3 passes then? Go on, yeah. I think the reason I don't use the 34C as much, I absolutely love it. And it's a fantastic travel razor. But I'll be honest with you, it's a 5-pass razor for me. If I wasn't, wow, that soap is, you have to dry my hands, that soap is so slick. if I wasn't recording this, I would be able to do the buffing and the J-hooks and just keep going over, you know, and over until you got there. Not a BBS, but there's a lot more work involved, I find, with a 34C. I love it. Love it. Good quality, sturdy razor. It's one of my favourite Merkurs, but you do have to work a little harder with it. And that's just offered up an absolute superb shave. Okay, so I'm just going to rinse the chops. Wow. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but the residual slickness there, guys, is phenomenal. Very, very good soap, this. Very, very good soap. I'm looking forward to trying the splash. Because I haven't tried it before. Just let me know what your shave of the day is. Let me know what you think of this shave. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that's it. Just looking forward to it. I hope things work out for the Saturday shave. And then you will see why I was so excited when you see the shave I've got lined up. If it works out, I mean, people say to me, what do you want for your anniversary, Dad? What do you want? And I said, well, I wouldn't mind this one. I'm hoping my kids have got together because it's pretty expensive stuff. I'm hoping they've got together and one of them's bought me the aftershave. One of them's bought me the balm. One of them's bought me the soap. Absolutely wonderful. Here we go. Let's see what we're going to. First off, you see this, look, it isn't clear, is it? It's cloudy. Now, whenever I've used aftershave like that in the past, it's been very skin foody. Wow, look at that, can you see? Can you see how shiny it is? Right, there's no alcohol, right? Right, straight away on that, I'm getting oak moss, cedar wood, patchouli. I'm getting all the dark, heavy notes with that. Absolutely wonderful. Goes very, very well. Can you see it before it dries in? There's my skin shining. It's not oily, but it is very, very skin foody. That will be wonderful. I'll look for so much, so I'm gonna have to just rinse my hands under the tap. And that's it. That's how we shave, guys. No, it isn't. Wait, Dermot O'Leary. See that? Dermot O'Leary. Dermot O'Leary is... Oh, just... I don't know. He's a clown. I just don't like the guy. He's a TV personality. Suppose a presenter. I say TV presenter in its broadest possible sense. I mean, I just don't like the clown at all. There you go. He considers himself a serious journalist. But anyway, that's, oh yeah. Oh my word, that Bergamot and Basil goes really, really well with that aftershave. Oh, that does. That's a winning combination, that right there, guys. Don't worry, you're all shouting, do the Lancashire lean, do the Lancashire lean. Here we go. Look at that. Hey? We did okay, didn't we? Well, that's job interview standard, that. Job interview. Smooth, no cuts, no nicks, no weepers, no creepers, no bubbles, no troubles, no nothing. There you go. What do you think of that? I'm going for a 37th wedding anniversary, wife and daughter meal. There you go. Everything's 37th wedding anniversary. See, by Thursday afternoon or Friday morning, somebody's going to say to me, if you mention that flipping anniversary one more time, look after yourselves, guys. Look after each other. And remember, be the change you wish to see in the world. And then you've changed the world, haven't you? You have. The other 6,985,482,396. 7 don't need to know, but you'll know, won't you? And I'll see you on Saturday, hopefully, for a special 37th wedding anniversary shave. Bye.